Welcome to Aeronautical World. Have you ever wondered where stars, the glowing balls of gas that light up the cosmos, come from? Let's pause for a moment and consider this fascinating question. What if I told you that the birthplace of stars is as breathtaking and wondrous as the stars themselves? Yes, the origins of these celestial bodies are not as simplistic as you might think. The answer lies in the vast, colorful, and mysterious clouds of gas and dust known as nebulae. Nebulae are not just beautiful astronomical phenomena, they are essentially star factories. These massive cosmic clouds, composed of gas and dust, serve as the birthplace of stars. But how does this process unfold? How does a nebula transform into a shining star? Let's explore. In the vast expanse of space, nebulae float like colossal ethereal sculptures. Within these nebulae, pockets of gas and dust begin to clump together due to the invisible pull of gravity. As these pockets become denser, they collapse under their own weight, creating a dense, hot core, a protostar. Over thousands to millions of years, the protostar continues to grow, pulling in more and more material from the surrounding nebula. The pressure and temperature at the heart of the protostar increase, setting the stage for the next act in this cosmic drama: nuclear fusion. This is where the magic happens. The extreme conditions trigger a process where hydrogen atoms collide and combine to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. This energy pushes out against the gravitational pull, creating a delicate balance. The protostar now shines brightly as a main sequence star, its light piercing the darkness of space. This process, from nebula to star, is a testament to the transformative power of the universe. It's a cycle of birth, evolution, and eventual death that has been unfolding for billions of years. So, in essence, every star we see in the night sky, including our own sun, owes its existence to nebulae. But nebulae are more than just star factories. They also serve as cosmic laboratories. These celestial bodies, with their swirling gases and dust, offer a unique window into the intricacies of star formation and the complex chemistry of the interstellar medium. As we delve into these cosmic wonders, we begin to unlock the secrets of the universe. From the birth of a star within these nebulous nurseries to its final stages of life, nebulae give us a front-row seat to the life cycle of stars. By studying the various processes taking place within these cosmic laboratories, we gain insights into how galaxies evolve over billions of years. These studies also shed light on the chemical reactions that occur in the vast spaces between stars, enhancing our knowledge of the universe's building blocks. Ultimately, our exploration of nebulae uncovers the cosmic connections that define our existence. The study of nebulae, therefore, helps us understand our place in the cosmos. To recap, nebulae play a pivotal role in the universe. These massive clouds of dust and gas are the birthplaces of stars, providing the raw materials that give rise to celestial bodies that light up our night sky. They are the star factories in the vast expanse of the cosmos, where the processes of star formation occur, giving us a unique opportunity to observe and understand these processes. Moreover, nebulae are not just significant for starbirth, they are also invaluable cosmic laboratories. They allow us to study the chemistry of the interstellar medium, the space between the stars, leading to new discoveries and advancements in our understanding of the universe. Their fascinating nature, their critical role in the life cycle of stars, and their importance in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos make nebulae a central focus in the field of astronomy. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember the nebulae, the cosmic factories where stars are born. Thank you for joining us at Aeronautical World. Until next time, keep exploring the cosmos.